Well, you join us partway through part 4 of our XS250 build. It's currently sandwich time because it's already been a bit of a day. We've not really achieved a great deal so far, but what we have done should soon follow.
Right, so what have we done this morning? We have rebuilt some forks for a different bike, which is not part of the XS250 project. So we've spent quite a lot of the morning doing that. But moving on to the XS250, we have started to strip down the rear wheel. So we've taken the sprocket off. We are currently working on the cush rubbers, which are very stuck.
Nuisance.
Stuck is the word, I think. And this afternoon, if we've got time, I think we might start stripping down the carbs and having a look. They have recently been cleaned. I say recently, it was about 12 months ago, so they shouldn't be too bad, but we will strip them apart and have a look at them anyway.
They haven't really had any use in that time,
No.
by all accounts.
No, they've just sat there. So enough of us chatting and Kieran eat his sandwich. I'm going to eat my sandwich, so we're just going to play some footage of what we've done so far today.
Hopefully, we'll get on the tyre squishy machine.
Woo!
All will be revealed.
I think he didn't want to.
Yeah, I think he went. Yeah, go on, stop that.
The more the merrier. How do?
Really?
I usually have at least 4 watching. So, it's all comfortable. 2 hands required now. I'm close.
Yank it! Do it, yank!
Nearly there.
This is as long as you've ever lasted, I think. Gar! Mantles!
Yeah.
Kieran, we've just finished taking the tyres off the wheels, and the wheel bearings and stuff are all out of the rims now. How's that gone for you?
Well, I think the general theme of this bike is everything is as hard as it can possibly be to remove or take off or change.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, it's slightly more time consuming than some of the other stuff we've done before. But again, having the right kit to hand is a significant difference.
Yeah, there was some lovely footage earlier of you struggling with some wheel bearings, and I hope that our audience appreciated that.
Yeah, we finally got a finish on that.
Yeah. Well, we got there in the end, so it's time for a cup
Did
of
release.
tea,
Yep.
and then we'll see what to do next. Check out that handsome pair. It is the next day, and it's the first day that I've ridden the Honda CG125. If you have been following our channel, you might know that we finished that series yesterday, so if you've not seen that already, go and have a look. But yes, the sun is out and we are back at Not Your Average Bikes for some more tinkering on the Yamaha XS250. What's this arriving? Ah, a thing. Well, dear friends, it's 2 weeks later and we are finally resuming work on the Yamaha XS250 project.
hello
Kieran's just
there.
making a few important notes about his stocks and shares or something, no doubt. yeah, here we are. Kieran,
Hi.
would you like to explain what we're up to today?
Well, today we have the concept of some side panels, which obviously this does not have. So we want to fill this space with something a bit sleek to kind of fill out the body of the bike and just kind of give an overall better presence. So bits of cardboard and a bit of scissoring and we'll get something sorted.
In other Yamaha XS250 related news, we have just found out today that we are going to be getting a replacement engine. But the replacement engine...
Just one, John?
No, I think possibly two. The replacement engine is attached to a replacement frame and a replacement tank and a replacement handlebars and all the rest of it.
Another bike.
We are getting a donor bike, aren't we?
Various other bits and bobs.
Yeah. So this is why it's taken 2 weeks for us to actually do any more work on this project, because we've been waiting to find out what the hell is happening. And now we know. We are getting some donor parts on a donor bike, which will be arriving sometime soon, hopefully. So in the meantime, we're doing these panels, and we'll see what arrives when it arrives.
Indeed.
As you can see then, Kieran's offering up some cardboard, and we're going to start making some very preliminary sketching and see what we get.